Generating an API key in Razorpay is essential for integrating payment functionalities into your applications. Here's how to do it. Log into your Razorpay account. Visit Razorpay's website and log in with your credentials. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Razorpay dashboard. This is where you can manage your payment settings and configurations. Navigate to API keys. In the left sidebar, find and click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, look for the API key section. Generate new key. If you don't already have an API key, click on the Generate Key button. If you already have keys and want to create a new one, you can also do this from the same section. Store your keys securely. After generating the key, you will see your key ID and key secret. Make sure to copy and store these securely, as the key secret will not be displayed again for security reasons. Use the API key. You can now use your API key for integrating Razorpay into your website or application for payment processing.